Other fact, China, Japan, and USA have a different kind of strategy to study, so that's why they are progressing day by day. But India is facing a loop that they have to do an assignment, they have to do a homework, they have to do work. It is about the past thing, but now time we can see that India is adding new thing. India is giving India India education system is it is not a changing, it is evolving and upgrade. We can see that they were upgrading images. But what about the country? That country is not progressing. If we are studying that, you are saying that we are studying that one thing, evolving thing, but we are not completely progressing by the fact of the studies. We also want to focus on the skills, but India is not providing as skills as we want to do.
It realized that it is not perfect. It is not a good. It is not a good system to compete with the other countries. We criticize other countries, but in reality, they are better than us because the India's education system, their mindset is to only pass. But the other countries, they have the mindset to compete with the other countries, to compete globally. Our tests, they are not made for globally, but instead they are only made for the passing of our student only.
We can see that in sports, you all are saying that in sports, the India is not focusing in physical education. Physical education is totally bad of India. But now you can see that in chess, the topper player, the top who topped in the whole world is only and only from the person is from India. And the second thing is that
that was because of his own hard work. He won the championship because of his own hard work.